Good morning, my students. Today is March 26, 2021. There are connected 70 students. Now there are 18. 18 students. And here in the classroom there are 9, 12, 15. There are 15. How much it is? How much it is 15 plus 18? How much it is 18 plus 15?
¿Cuánto es?
¿Cuánto es 5 más
15 más 18, ¿cuánto es? 3, ¿no? 33. 33. Yes? So, last class we were doing the English workshop, right? Estuvimos haciendo el taller de inglés. We already did the first point, the second point, and we were on third point, right? Nos quedamos en el tercer punto. Yes? So, third point, write the numbers in letters in English. Escribe los números en letra en inglés. So, we already said that 10,000 es 10,000, ¿no? 10,000. 10,000. 35 por 2 igual 70. 35 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equals 70, right? So, the next one. 9 por 9 igual 81. How do we write that? Okay, tell me, Isabela. 9 por 9 igual 81. Say it in English, please.
9 multiplied by 9 equals 81.
Excellent. 9 multiplied by 9 equals 81. Okay? Okay. So the next one. 17 por 5 igual 85. How do we say that in English? 17 por 5 igual 85. ¿Cómo escribimos eso? How do we write that multiplication problem in English? ¿Ah? Me imagino que los que tienen alzado la mano es porque van a responder, ¿cierto, Santiago? ¿Lo vas a responder? ¿Ante? ¿O Paula lo van a responder? Entonces, ¿por qué tienen alzada la mano, chicos? ¿Me vas a responder antes? ¿Sí? Utilicemos las herramientas adecuadamente. ¡Listo! 15 por 5 igual 85. Who is going to do it? Howin? Okay, Howin, tell me.
70 by 5 equals 85.
Very good. 70, listen, pay attention, boys and girls. 70 multiplied by 5 equals 85. No, muchachos, yo creo que 70 multiplied by 5 equals 85. 17 multiplied by 5 equals excellent, Nicholas, 85. 85. Okay. Yes. What it is the last one? 20 dividido 4 igual 5. How is it? Tell me, Dana. 20. Give me a moment. So, 20, yes, 20. 20 divided by 4 equal 5. Very good. Excellent. Yes, please. Yes. So 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 2 equals 70. 9 multiplied by 9 equals 80. 70 multiplied by 5 equals 85. And 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Yes, very easy, no? Easy. Easy one. Point number 4. Draw the time in the watch. Dibuja la hora en los relojes. Yes? So the first hour. This is very easy, no? The first hour is it's 10 past 8. It's 10 past 8. Tell me, Nicolás. What time is 10 past 8? Vamos a hacerlo rápido. Son las 8:10. 8:10. Ocho y 10. 8:10. ¿Listo? What time is 20 to 11? 11:20. Once y 20. Okay? So we finished the English workshop. Thank you so much.